Right, so I am on my way to Vaquez Rocks, which is an old, well, it's stone, so it's very old, but a classic Southern California like day trip. It's an old rock formation that is pretty beautiful and unique. It's been in a lot of movies and stuff. It was in like the old original Star Trek and Bill and Ted and like a bunch of old westerns and Disney movies. But first I gotta pick up my buddy Aaron, who I have not seen in 14 months. Fun fact, today, 4 years ago, we graduated from college together. So it's very exciting. But first I gotta set up the GoPro mount on the car, and I just realized that I put the GoPro stuff in the trunk, so I gotta go get that. So stay tuned. We made it. I got my water bottle. Let's rock and roll.
It's gonna be walking around. I had to sell my picnic table.
Oh no. I love that picnic table.
Well, I gave it away to my office to my work, so we kind of steal it back.
Scary last time because I thought the same thing. I was like, this doesn't seem like it should be allowed to just walk on.
Yeah. Changed lanes.
Yeah, it's like real straight and
Pretty high.
yeah, get the blood pumping, muscles going.
Hey Ross,
Yeah,
do you have your phone on you?
yeah.
Can you Google something for me?
What?
Dr. Tyler's Holy Woggly Panorama City hours.
Oh no.
I didn't think about that.
It opens in 1 minute, 11 a.m.
Closes.
9 p.m. baby, every day of the week.
Here we go.
This is where it starts getting like
Kinda.
continually more. You're like, can we go up further? But you can go all the way. I had to scoot down a part of it on my little bum last time, but at any point, go for it. Oh.
Don't love hearing
not at the top long if they're real smooth chats. It's already such a nice view. Okay.
Let's go that way.
Let's go up the safe way. Wait, go up this way. How are we gonna get up? How are we gonna get up there? Like this. Ugh.
There's no way up there.
Oh.
Should we go on that one with them?
Yeah, and then you go up and over. I think that's the only way to do it, right?
Yeah, I was gonna but that's a little.
That's mountain goat territory. I'm gonna split my ass so hard being an idiot. I can't believe we went up here. We could have just gone up there, much less steep. But we made it. Made it to the top.
Top of the world. Top of the world.
Top of the world. Top of the
my
world.
pants at the top of the world.
Now we won't feel bad when we eat 5,000 calories worth of barbecue.
Oh God, I'm eating so much. It's like $100.
Well, it's good because I'm gonna try to not eat dairy, but I feel like if there's anywhere to do that, it's at a barbecue place.
Just meat and beans.
Yeah, this is where I bust my tuchus. All right. Okay.
Fall all the way down on me.
Oh God.
Yeah, this is the part I just went through.
How did you do this?
Like that.
Oh,
Slow.
ow. It's almost like being at Wii Spa, like the abrasions. Oh yeah, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
And I'm sure we'll see a 6-year-old just like run down there at some point. Yeah. But there, see where they are?
Yeah.
Over there? Yeah, that's the hike we gotta go do now. Whew, that's fun. This is a nice, just little graceful path after that insanity we just did. I like the colors in the rock here too. It's like there's all these like very subtle oranges and purples. For the right time, it's getting all busy now. Oh, these are nice. These are very pretty. Well, we made it. We did it. Now on to Poggly Woggly.
Got my Poggly Woggly ready.
Let's throw our shit in the back. I gotta mount the GoPro to the thing. And then we will eat some dang BBQ. Here we are. You think it's gonna be good? I hope
Yes,
so.
I think so.
It better be, or else.
15 minutes.
I think I'm thinking 30. Slowly melting us.
It's the third ambulance we've seen today.
I know, there's been a lot.
In the city.
I feel like it came. It's excellent.
My legs.
No, I gotta.
You got it, buddy.
It's not bad at all. It's totally fine. Not even cold, dude.